Hi friends, welcome to We Eat at Last. Today we are going to be making some creamy and delicious soup maker pumpkin soup. This is a quick and very easy recipe. Here's what you'll need. Garlic cloves, and I'm going to be using 2 cloves, onion, we're going to start by sauteing the onion and garlic. You can also use shallots instead of onion here. My soup maker, the Ninja, has a saute function, but you can also saute the onion and garlic separately in a pan. You can also skip the sauteing if you prefer, but I find it gives the soup much more depth and flavor. Just add in the pumpkin along with the rest of the ingredients. Next goes in the vegetable stock. Set the lid of your soup maker in place. And then press smooth soup. The soup maker will then cook and blend in intervals. No need to mix during its cooking and blending intervals. Once the time is up, just add the coconut milk. Once you've added the coconut milk, you just want to quickly blend it in to combine for 15 seconds or so. Once done, pour into bowls and serve. I hope you enjoyed this soup maker pumpkin soup recipe. If you're new to the channel, kindly support us by subscribing. Thank you and see you on the next video.